You've done it. You've put in the hard work, focused during class, did all your homework, and you were rewarded. You've passed your PEP exams and will be off to the high school of your choice. Although you're excited to go off on this new adventure, you're likely also a bit nervous about what to expect. Well, you're not alone. Many first formers or grade 7 students, just like you, are apprehensive and uncertain about what to expect come September when they venture off to their new schools. Meet Javier Thomas, a PEP awardee and graduate of St. Richard's Primary School in Kingston. He's heading to Arden High School. Javier recently met with high schooler Stuart Minot of Woolmer's Boys School for a quick chat on what to expect during the next 5 years of high school.
What has been your favorite moment in high school so far?
My favorite moment in high school has to be when I entered Wilmot for the first time. Yes.
Oh. Getting into the school of your choice?
Yes.
When you were a 7th grader, how was it getting along with the people in the upper grades?
In 7th grade, it was difficult because specifically in boys' schools or the school that I went to, there's a stigma around talking to like first graders, first formers and second formers because usually they're immature and they have like this childish attitude to them. But as you go on onwards, like third form up, it's much easier to talk to them.
How easily would you say it is to be influenced negatively or positively in high school?
I'd say it's much easier to be influenced negatively in high school because there's lots of other factors at play because there's like people are just there to idle and like they think that's the best they can do. But the positive factors are like good teachers that are really supportive, like my economics teacher for one. I remember in 3rd grade or 3rd form I had like this plan. Although it was like a stuffy business plan, my teacher still followed through and helped me out and showed me like where I would have went wrong or where I could have improved.
At primary school, we're accustomed to having one teacher. So what is it like in high school having different teachers teach different subjects?
You get used to it over time. Like I think in the first form, so like 1 to 3, the teachers will come to your class, so it would be much walking or like really getting accustomed to it because it's technically like having one teacher the whole time. But like as you choose your subjects from 3rd form onwards, you go to your teacher, so you get used to it.
How important do you think it is for extracurricular activities in high school?
I think it's very important because it also helps with like the holistic development of your character and like helps you socialize more because you can be a book smart person but unable to talk. So it'd be really pointless if you're book smart and unable to express the ideas with other people because you'd just be wasting knowledge. So I suggest to like have one social extracurricular and one physical so you can both develop physically and mentally.
How do you manage between extracurricular activities and study time?
I believe that you could use a schedule. It's much easier to manage and you'll be able to see how much time you have for the day and how much time you can allot for extracurricular and studies. I'd suggest 3 hours of studies and extracurricular. I don't know how much, but usually it's good to have like an hour.
Could you please walk me through how you prepare for your exams?
Alright, how I usually prepare for my exams is quite unconventional. Because what I do is I'd go on YouTube and search up the crash course videos or the summary videos, and I'd watch over like the hour long or 2 hour long videos. And since they're like summarized, it'd be easier for me to go through them. But for subjects like math and like those type of practical subjects, I'd say the best way is to like really go over the past paper questions.
Would you say is your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject from 3rd form onward would be economics because, as my econ teacher says, econ is a reasoning subject, not a reading subject. Meaning that you can read through the entire syllabus and still get a 3 or a 4. but it's more of a reasoning thing. So rather than regurgitating what the book gives you, you have to make sense of it and add on to it.
What encouragement would you leave with new high school students?
The advice I'd leave with new high school students would be to socialize and to make good friends, not any friend, because good friends are the ones that would stick with you.
Thank you, Stuart, for your encouragement and tips on how to survive in high school. I really appreciate it.
Anytime, Javier.